And here in Portugal, specific in this region, it's what we could call the chakra of the heart of the entire planet. It's what we could call the touchdown, the ground zero of the descent of the Christ through that central stone. It's the place in the world where the distance between heaven and earth is shorter, where it is easier for anybody to reconnect with their soul. So if in the past, the Portuguese went with their boats, their caravels, to the world with the gospel of Christ, now it's the time where the entire world must come here to central Portugal to meet the Christ, not the gospel, no more, the Christ itself. It means to meet our own soul, to reunite with our own soul so we can irradiate the Holy Spirit or the universal love.